Hi, this is Blair Pleasant. I'm at the 8x8 headquarters, and I'm with Vik Verma. Vik is the CEO of 8x8. And welcome, Vik.
Nice to see you, Blair.
Thank you. So there's been a lot of energy and excitement going on in the cloud lately. So tell me a little bit about what you're seeing as far as trends in the adoption of cloud.
It's actually been quite interesting. I mean, it's pretty consistent with what happens when markets disrupt. What you're starting to see more and more is people want to stay focused on what matters to them, which is servicing their customers, making sure that they build awesome products for their customers, and so all of the other stuff that is non-core to them, it may be mission critical, but it's non-core to them, they would like somebody else to do it. So cloud is turnkey by another name. So in essence, you want a phone system, as long as you have an internet connection, you could plug in your phone system, and now you have a PBX that allows you to connect all your customers, all your employees all over the world, and do it literally without having to worry about the day-to operation of an on-site premise-based PBX. You want to have a call center, you have the ability to operate a call center without having expensive hardware sitting there that can often go down. Somebody else does it. You need tech support for any of these, you pick up the phone, you call somebody, and the problem is taken care of. It's utopia.
Now, are you seeing this for all size companies or just SMBs?
No, it's accelerating in the mid-market, and it's not quite hit the enterprise yet, but it's starting to get there. And it's, again, pretty classic with how markets disrupt. It starts out with the little guys going, I don't have anything, so I'll just go with whatever is out there that's the latest and greatest. And then the larger and larger customers go, wait a minute, if they're getting massive cost savings and they're getting massive convenience, why are we not doing the same thing? What you do have to make sure of is that you focus on security, compliance, reliability, because mid-market and enterprise customers can't afford for the system to go down. And so as long as you focus on that, and by the way, you have to focus on that. It's too easy to build a slick user interface and say, yep, we're in the cloud. You have to make sure that all the underpinnings are solid, all the technology is solid, all the support is there. If you do all of those things, as far as mid-market is concerned, again, for them, it's absolutely critical to go there, because in this day and age, they need to focus all their energies in building better products and supporting their own customers. And so if they can have somebody else take care of all of these various applications like their phone systems as well as their call centers, and do it literally by just having an internet connection, hallelujah.
So you brought up a good point about security, and I know that this is something that 8x8 has really been focusing on. So can you tell me a little bit about what you're doing in security that is differentiating you from some of your competitors?
We focus on security from the ground up. I mean, for us, at the very beginning when we designed the product, security was a key element. And it goes back to all our respective experiences where we watched what happened early on with online payment systems. And it was amazing with the internet. When you had to put a credit card on the internet, what hindered adoption of the internet in the early days was the fact that people didn't want to put their credit card information on the web. So right from the beginning, we designed it with a focus on security, and that goes right to the architecture. Then we went through the alphabet soup of compliances, FIPS, FISMA, you name it. We brought in a chief compliance officer who literally goes in and checks every element of that. And with that, we were able to, in essence, build a system that is second to none when it comes to both compliance and security.
Okay. Now, I know 8x8 is expanding globally. Can you talk about that a little bit?
Same reason. I mean, in essence, our focus is the mid-market and the distributed enterprise. Large companies have global offices. These days, companies start out being global. They typically do their manufacturing in China, Vietnam. Their call centers are in the Philippines or India. And we have basically built the ability to go in and provide them all 4-digit dialing all around the world and local support. So in essence, we allow global companies to act local. And so since that is a core part of our market, we decided to go global right at the very outset so we could service those kind of customers. And that's a huge competitive differentiator for us.
Okay, well, thank you very much, and good luck as you continue to expand.
My pleasure. Thank you.